Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 1998 Nissan Pathfinder. Doing a radiator in this. The old one blew out right here on the side. Just one big old crack. I'll show you in a minute what that one looks like. But I had to do this one after the fact. Got nice Georgia rain. Got rain coming here in about 15-20 minutes according to the radar, so I had to finish this thing up quickly. But really easy overview. 10mm here, take this bracket off. 10mm here, take this bracket off. 10 here for the fan shroud. Another 10 right here for the fan shroud. These are new clamps. I had to install new ones. The old ones were the factory style like this, and you see how nice and rusty that is. Basically, they got destroyed. So what I did is destroyed this one, destroyed the one underneath, and then under the car you have 2 transmission cooler lines and 1 radiator hose. The transmission cooler hoses, the clamps are going to be like this, so I just got new clamps for all the way around, so that way we have no leak problem. But basically, take those hoses, take this off, drain it. This one didn't have any coolant because it had all blown out. Fan shroud, do not really need to take all the way out. You can just move it forward over the fan assembly itself, and then from there you can lift up the radiator once everything is done. This is the only thing holding it in, this is the only thing holding it in, and there's 2 ports down at the bottom that it just sits in the trough. So zip that out and away she rolls. Same thing going back in, real simple. Oh, prime time to do belts if you want to do that, because you can then take the fan, once the radiator's out of the way, you can take the fan and shroud and lift it up this way, and you got all that room right there to do the belts with no problem. So prime time to do belts if you're going to do it. This, unfortunately, customer had a alternator belt that was shredding at the same time, so that got done. But other than that, quick, easy, down and dirty. I have a little funnel system. They got to put up a little funnel system here that burps out all the air bubbles and makes life 10 times easier for me, because I can pour it in, go clean up, and walk away and don't have to sit here and babysit the thing. But other than that, questions, comments, feel free to let me know. Very, very simple job.